As we age, many of us go searching for that miracle cure, a way to smooth out wrinkles, brighten our complexion, and recapture the radiance of youth. Amidst the countless creams, serums, and high-tech treatments on the market, essential oils have taken a surprisingly strong seat at the table. Often hailed as nature's solution to aging skin, these aromatic plant extracts promise everything from reducing fine lines to promoting skin cell regeneration. But is this just clever marketing wrapped in pretty glass bottles, or is there real science behind the hype? Let's explore whether essential oils are a myth or a legitimate tool in the anti-aging arsenal. To begin with, essential oils are concentrated plant extracts obtained from flowers, leaves, bark, and roots. They've been used for centuries in traditional medicine, aromatherapy, and skincare. Lavender, frankincense, rose, and sandalwood are just a few popular ones believed to support youthful skin. Their appeal lies in their natural origin, pleasant fragrance, and versatility. But to determine whether they really fight aging, we need to separate anecdotal charm from scientific evidence. One of the most promising aspects of essential oils is their antioxidant content. Aging is largely driven by oxidative stress, damage caused by free radicals that accumulate in our bodies due to sun exposure, pollution, stress, and poor diet. Over time, this damage weakens the skin's structure, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and dullness. Some essential oils, like clove, thyme, and oregano, have been shown in lab studies to possess strong antioxidant activity. These antioxidants may help neutralize free radicals and slow the breakdown of collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for firm, youthful skin. Frankincense oil, for example, is often called liquid gold in the anti-aging world. Derived from the resin of boswellia trees, it has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory and wound-healing properties. A small clinical study published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine found that frankincense extract significantly improved skin elasticity and reduced roughness in women with signs of aging. Though the sample size was small, it hints at real therapeutic potential. Similarly, rose oil has been praised not just for its scent but for its ability to hydrate, tone, and soothe the skin. Rich in vitamin C and other bioactive compounds, rose oil may help even skin tone and reduce redness. Some studies suggest it can boost skin permeability, allowing other active ingredients to penetrate more effectively. Another standout is lavender oil, known for its calming aroma and anti-inflammatory effects. While lavender is more commonly used in stress relief and sleep aids, it may also support skin repair by reducing inflammation and promoting tissue regeneration. A calmer, less inflamed complexion is less prone to developing age-related issues like hyperpigmentation and fine lines. However, it's important to recognize that much of the current evidence comes from in vitro studies, test tube or petri dish experiments, or animal models. While these are valuable for initial insights, they don't always translate directly to human results. Additionally, essential oils are often tested in isolated form, whereas real-world usage involves complex formulations, carrier oils, and variable skin types. The anti-aging benefits of essential oils also hinge on proper use. Because they are so concentrated, applying them directly to the skin can cause irritation, allergic reactions, or even chemical burns. This is especially true for citrus oils, like lemon or bergamot, which can make the skin more sensitive to sunlight and increase the risk of dark spots. To safely use essential oils, they should always be diluted with a carrier oil such as jojoba, almond, or coconut oil before topical application. In terms of effectiveness, consistency is key. You're unlikely to see dramatic changes overnight. Many essential oils work gently and cumulatively over time, supporting the skin's natural regeneration processes. Think of them as part of a long-term wellness strategy rather than a quick fix. They may enhance your routine, but they won't replace sunscreen, hydration, a nutrient-rich diet, or adequate sleep, all of which are pillars of healthy aging. Another important factor is individual variation. What works wonders for one person may not work for another. Skin types, genetics, lifestyle habits, and sensitivities all play a role. For example, someone with oily or acne-prone skin might benefit from tea tree or geranium oil, while someone with dry, mature skin may find nourishment in myrrh or sandalwood oil. Tailoring your choice of essential oils to your unique skin needs can make a significant difference in outcomes. So, are essential oils medicine or myth? The truth lies somewhere in between. While they are not a magic bullet, there's enough preliminary research and historical use to suggest they can play a supportive role in anti-aging skincare. They offer antioxidant protection, anti-inflammatory effects, and skin-soothing benefits, all of which are relevant to maintaining youthful skin. However, they should not be viewed as a substitute for scientifically validated treatments or healthy lifestyle habits. It's also worth noting that the quality of essential oils varies greatly. Look for oils that are 100% pure, therapeutic grade, and sourced from reputable companies. Many cheaper oils are diluted with synthetic additives or poorly processed, reducing their effectiveness and increasing the risk of adverse reactions. Transparency in sourcing, proper labeling, and third-party testing are good indicators of a trustworthy product. In recent years, interest in clean beauty has grown, with more people seeking natural, plant-based alternatives to synthetic skincare. Essential oils fit neatly into this movement, offering a more holistic approach to beauty and wellness. Their use can be both functional and sensory, offering not only potential skin benefits but also relaxation and stress relief, two factors that can indirectly support healthy aging. In conclusion, essential oils are not merely mythical potions passed down from folklore. When used wisely and responsibly, they can be a valuable addition to an anti-aging regimen. While we await more robust clinical trials to confirm their full efficacy, the current evidence and centuries of anecdotal use suggest that these fragrant plant extracts are more than just hype. Like many aspects of skincare and health, their success lies in thoughtful application, informed choices, and a holistic view of wellness. Nature may not have the final word on aging, but it certainly has a compelling voice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with others, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you.